we're at the Vexilar booth here at the Ice Institute, checking out their 2019 new option here. This is their limited edition. Celebrate what year anniversary?
60th anniversary.
60th anniversary, right back there. 60th anniversary on the wall. This is their pack they're putting together to celebrate that 60th anniversary. Is the FLX-28 Ultra Pack. That pack includes your Glo-Ring for making those little, getting your little jigs and such glowing. They've got the gooseneck light. They've got the arm and such for your transducer, and all in a kit, all ready to go. This is the full package here with the FLX-28, which is of course the cat's meow when it comes to finding fish and such out there below the ice. This is their 60th anniversary limited edition package. You can get that probably only for a couple of months here before they're all going to be sold out. Check them out. This is the Vexilar booth, and we'll put links in the description below so you can check out the FLX-28 and see if it'll work for your ice fishing needs.